Me and my husband got this nostalgic school bench from an acquaintance. We immediately fell in love with it. The hole for the ink pot holder is reminiscent of times long gone, when computers did not yet exist. Inside is written the Dutch or Flemish name Krisje. My brother's name is exactly the same. We wanted to keep the bench as authentic as possible, so you won't see any drop of paint in this makeover. My husband took the complete bench apart to fix every little bit. He then put it back together and I gave it the finishing touch. I'm not going to rattle during this video, so just lay back, relax and enjoy this little journey back in time.
Thank you.